Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. How long does it take Novo to deposit a check? I know that this is a really important question, especially if you're relying on your Novo account to get your money quickly. So, I'm going to do my best to give you a clear and accurate answer. Before I get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. The information that I'm sharing with you is based on my own experience and research. So, please do your own research before making any decisions about your finances. With that said, let's get started. So, how long does it take Novo to deposit a check? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the type of check you're depositing, the amount of the check, the time of day that you deposit the check, your bank's processing time. In general, it takes Novo 1 to 3 business days to deposit a check. However, it can take up to 5 business days in some cases. Here's a breakdown of the different types of checks and how long it typically takes for them to be deposited. Personal checks, 1 to 3 business days. Business checks, 1 to 3 business days. Government checks, 1 to 3 business days. Mobile checks, 1 to 2 business days. The amount of the check can also affect how long it takes to be deposited. Larger checks may take longer to process than smaller checks. The time of day that you deposit your check can also make a difference. Checks that are deposited early in the day are more likely to be processed faster than checks that are deposited later in the day. Finally, your bank's processing time can also affect how long it takes for your check to be deposited. Some banks process checks faster than others. Here are a few tips for getting your check deposited as quickly as possible. Deposit your check early in the day. Deposit your check at a busy branch. Make sure that your check is properly endorsed. Include your account number on your deposit slip. If you're still having trouble getting your check deposited, you can contact Novo customer support. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Novo check deposits. You can check the status of your deposit in the Novo app. You can withdraw cash from your Novo account after your check has been deposited. You can transfer money from your Novo account to another bank account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Novo check deposits, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Novo, I encourage you to check out their website or watch some of their other videos. Thanks for watching.